What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play You and Us by Quinn XCII. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only got one riff that pretty much repeats out the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for this song. You can find that in the video description as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to play this song. I'm going to show you the exact way that they play it in the song, and then I'm going to show you a much more beginner friendly way, because it can get a little bit difficult with the way the picking pattern is, and with the it's got like a bar chord in there that might be kind of tricky. So I'm going to show you both ways. Now the chords you need to know for the song are going to be C sharp minor. It's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Nothing on the low E string. Bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger. Ring finger 6th fret D string. Pinky finger 6th fret G string. Middle finger 5th fret on the B string. Next, you'll need to know A major, which is going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret on the D string. Ring finger 2nd fret on the G string. Pinky finger 2nd fret on the B string. And then E major, which is going to be 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret A string. Ring finger 2nd fret D string. Index finger 1st fret on the G string. And then finally, you will need an F sharp minor. It's going to be 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger. Ring finger 4th fret A string. Pinky finger 4th fret D string. Now for your picking, you're going to start on that C sharp minor. You're going to pick A, B, G, D twice. Make it more beginner friendly, don't worry about picking the D string for any of these, because that picking pattern is the exact same. It's going to play the exact same way throughout all these chords. So you'll just be picking A, B, G instead of A, B, G, D. So instead of, you're going to pick. So that's for your C sharp minor. Jump to your A, pick the exact same thing, the exact same number of times. A, B, G, D. And for beginners, again, don't pick the D. So from the C sharp, the beginner way will be and now for the verses of the song, you'll go to an E major, and you'll do this in the chorus too, but the difference is the chorus eventually goes to that F sharp. Your verses just stay on the E. It just plays through twice as opposed to 1 time, well, 4 times through technically with the picking as opposed to twice. And what you're doing here is you're picking E, G, D, A. The same way you were picking your other chords, you're just picking these strings instead now. E, G, D, A. Like I said, 4 times through as opposed to the 2 times through on the other 2 chords. So again, your beginner version will just be do not pick the A string in there, just E, G, D. So like I said, this is what you play for the verse. I'm going to play through the entire thing very slowly so you can see what it looks like. This is the normal way that's played in the song. beginner-friendly way, it looks like this. That is what's played for your verses. I believe there are 2 verses in the entire song. Everything else is your chorus. I believe the chorus happens after both verses, and then the majority of the rest of the song, kind of halfway through the song, it's just the same thing that the chorus is. It's the exact same thing as what you're playing for the verse, except instead of playing your E for 4 times, you're playing it twice. And then going to your F sharp minor and picking the exact same string. So that's E, G, D, A. And again, it just, everything else is played the exact same way. It repeats after that. So I'll show you what it looks like all the way through very slowly. Beginner-friendly way is picking the same thing, just you're not picking the D string with the C sharp minor and A, and you're not picking the A string with the E and the F sharp minor. So slowly that looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One will receive a guitar accessories kit, and the other will receive a t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. The way you can enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on this video with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to live stream the monthly giveaway winners, and then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the winner of the acoustic guitar, and you got to have those notifications turned on to get notified for the live stream. I'm super excited to give away another acoustic guitar. I just gave away one when I hit 50,000 subscribers, and that just reminded me why I'm doing this. It's all for you guys, because if it wasn't for you, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So again, thank each and every one of you so much for all the love, all the support. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a comment on this video with a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we'll see you in the next video.